Eating dinner by sunset. Is this a myth or is this based on some scientific logic? Before I begin, I would like to make it clear that this is a logic based on science. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why and how it works. To understand the first point, we need to understand circadian rhythm. What is circadian rhythm? Circadian rhythm is the cycle of sunrise and sunset. Each and every cell in our body has something called circadian clock. This is why after sunset, our body prepares for rest. And this is precisely why after sunset, pancreas slow down the production of digestive enzymes, and the digestive fire, which is called Agni as per the yogic tradition, is eventually lowered in intensity. All this means that we are not prepared to eat after sunset. Sleep is when all the healing happens, all the muscle growth, cellular repair, immune system repair, fat burn, everything happens while we are sleeping. Now, if we sleep with undigested food, almost 70 to 80% of the energy of our body is routed towards the digestive system. If on the other hand, we eat 2 to 3 hours before we sleep, the food is completely digested and the entire energy is routed towards healing, repair, and all the bodily functions that I just spoke of. If you eat your dinner early, let's say by 8 p.m. and you have your breakfast next day at 10 a.m., this gives a beautiful 14 hours for your body to completely rest. This is very important and this is called intermittent fasting. Now, this video is not about intermittent fasting, so I'm not going to talk about it in detail. But if you want me to make a video on intermittent fasting, please leave a comment in the comment section. I'll make a video. But you need to understand this 14 to 15 hours of break is extremely important for our body in order for our body to detoxify, to be prepared for all the sort of growth that it can go through, and for our body to remove all the cellular impurities. These are the 3 reasons why you should consider eating dinner as close as possible to the sunset. Numerous life coaches, nutritionists are preaching aggressively about the benefits of having early dinner. You don't have to listen to them. You don't have to listen to me either. All you need to do is try this for 3 to 4 weeks. Start by doing it just for 5 to 6 days a week and see if it works for you. One thing I can promise is that once you go the circadian way, you would not want to come back. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.